Are you looking in today's world of DIY, auto repair, woodworking, and heavy-duty tasks? The demand for powerful yet portable air compressors has skyrocketed. For both hobbyists and professionals, the 20-gallon air compressor hits the sweet spot between capacity and mobility. In this guide, we review the top models based on PSI rating, CFM performance, tank quality, noise level, and price-to-performance ratio. Whether you're inflating tires or powering pneumatic tools, this list has something for everyone. List 1. DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor, 6-gallon, 165 PSI, DWFP 55126. While not a 20-gallon tank, the DEWALT DWFP 55126 earns an honorable mention for its outstanding performance in a compact form. This 6-gallon pancake-style compressor delivers a maximum 165 PSI and an impressive 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI, which is more than enough for most light to medium-duty applications. Its high-efficiency motor ensures easy startup in cold weather, and the oil-free pump guarantees low maintenance. This model includes 2 universal couplers, enabling support for 2 users simultaneously. Weighing just 30 pounds, it's highly portable and ideal for finish work, trim, or home garage use. While it's not meant for continuous use air tools or heavy-duty tasks, its durability and ease of use make it an excellent value for the money. If you're tight on space but still want a reliable compressor, the DWFP 55126 is a top-tier choice. List number 14-gallon ultra-quiet air compressor with 2 quick couplers, 2 HP, 8.75 CFM, max 115 PSI. For those needing power with silence, this 14-gallon ultra-quiet compressor is a standout. Despite not being exactly 20 gallons, it punches far above its size. The 2 HP motor runs efficiently and generates 8.75 CFM at 40 PSI and 6.2 CFM at 90 PSI, more than capable for medium-duty tools like nailers, sprayers, and impact wrenches. The oil-free design and dual quick connect couplers make it extremely user-friendly and low maintenance. But the real star is the ultra-quiet operation, often reading just under 70 dB, which makes it perfect for indoor or garage environments. The horizontal design and steel tank provide durability while maintaining mobility with strong rear wheels. While the PSI max is slightly lower than competitors, the trade-off is a smoother, quieter experience. List number: Master Airbrush 1/5 HP Cool Runner 2 Compressor Kit, model TC326T, designed for fine detailed work. The Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 is a compact but powerful air compressor, ideally suited for artists, hobbyists, and model makers. With a 1/5 HP single-piston motor and dual cooling fans, this unit is optimized for longer continuous sessions without overheating. The 3-liter air tank may seem small compared to 20-gallon models, but for precision airbrushing, it's more than adequate. The compressor produces consistent airflow, and the included airbrush hose and regulator make this a plug-and-play solution. It's also super quiet, operating under 50 dB. While it won't replace a 20-gallon model for pneumatic tools, it's perfect for detail work and offers unmatched precision for the price. List number: Ingersoll Rand P15IUA9 2-horsepower 20-gallon single-stage compressor 115/1. The Ingersoll Rand P15IUA9 is a powerhouse in the 20-gallon class, built for serious professionals. It features a durable cast-iron pump, 2 HP motor, and max pressure of 135 PSI, capable of delivering reliable air power for a wide range of shop tools. The compressor's single-stage system runs cooler and lasts longer thanks to its advanced splash lubrication system. What truly sets this apart is its build quality. Every component feels industrial grade. At around 200 pounds, it's not the most portable, but the solid handle and semi-pneumatic wheels aid mobility. It runs on standard 115V household power, making it versatile without needing special wiring. This is one of the most durable and high-performing compressors in the 20-gallon market, and is ideal for automotive work, woodworking, and heavy-duty air tools. List number 5. VEVOR Air Compressor, 20-gallon steel tank, 4 horsepower, 10.6 CFM at 90 psi, oil-free, 125 psi, 78 dB. The VEVOR 20-gallon air compressor is the ideal pick for those who want raw performance at an affordable price. With a 4 horsepower motor and 10.6 CFM at 90 psi, this beast can handle impact wrenches, sprayers, sanders, and more. It features a fully oil-free design, cutting down maintenance and extending usability for home and professional applications. The 20-gallon steel tank provides excellent capacity, while the 78 dB noise rating is relatively quiet for its power level. It's equipped with safety valves, gauges, and dual output ports. Despite its affordable price point, this model doesn't skimp on features. If you're after a high-performance air compressor that balances power, capacity, and cost, the VEVOR is easily one of the best values on the market.